Hi friends, are you ready to practice asking and answering questions? The first thing you have to do is find a partner to play Guess Who with. It's a great game to practice asking and answering those monster questions. After you're done playing, you are going to make a video on Seesaw and you're going to challenge your teacher. Here's what you have to do. You have to think of one student in the class, and you can't tell your teacher who it is, but you have to describe them. On Seesaw, I want you to use 3 words to describe them. Describing words are called adjectives. 3 adjectives to describe someone in the class. And your teacher has to, here's a teacher thinking, they have to think, who could that student be? For example, you could say, this student I'm thinking of has blonde hair, he wears glasses, and he is very tall. Who am I thinking of? And your teacher would have to think of who it is and get back to you on Seesaw. Okay? So those are the things you have to do. Play the game with a partner. Think of a friend in the class, describe them using 3 adjectives on Seesaw, and then your teacher has to guess who you're describing. Have fun!